Sanmanani guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Utalente, Mrs. Tishangas, and please do subscribe. If you've already subscribed, welcome back. Namhlanje we're doing a get to know me video. I feel like it's important for my followers to know what's kahle kahle ubani uThalente. Please sit and enjoy, and also remember my content is all about lifestyle, makeup and fashion. Enjoy. Right, let's get into it. I feel like I'm myself. Do you guys remember myself in primary school where you had to say your name, your surname, all your information in front of your class? It feels like that. But anyways, Utalente is a young lady born and raised in Umlazi, the south of Durban. I was born on the 26th of January 1995 by my parents, Nomthandazo Mzobe and nelinye ihumusha Nkosi yami that I'm not ready to talk about. But yeah, we move. So I was raised by a single parent. Abakhuliswa ama-single parents would know ukuthi bungakanani ubunzima that you come across during your childhood up until nje uzuhlakaniphi. But ke I'm grateful to God ukuthi ungiphe umzali ofana noma wami. Uma wami is my everything. She's my queen. She's my world, basically. Ungikhulise ngenkolo yobuNazaretha, of which nakhona I'm so grateful. She was very strict ngikhula. I'm a firstborn kuyena, with 3 siblings. My 2 sisters, Umbali, Nongo. Then later on, sasingaka azisicabanga ukuthi we would have a baby brother, and then boom, 2018, our mom was blessed with a baby boy. Butwethu simthanda kakhulu, simamkele. So yeah, there's 4 of us kuma wami. Ngikhule ngiyilingane le very much reserved, but very much smart. As a result, grade 1, ngaze ngeqiswa. I started school ngo-2002, and then kwathi nje mhlambe phakathi noJanuary ngakapheli uJanuary, hayi ugeli wayebhizi esho lo thisha staff room, esho myself. Ugeli wayebhizi shame. In fact, I knew i-content ya grade 1 yonke neyaka grade 2 neyaka grade 3, simply because ukhona ugogo wethu omncane that used to teach us while we were like 3-4 years. So yonke leyo content leyo that was taught in primary school, grades like grade 1 up to grade 3, thina sasisiyazi yonke leyo content. As a result, so I was then moved from grade 1 to grade 2. So nje angilazi reports like grade 1. Which makes me give it ahead of abantu that I started school with. Got at the primary school, 2007, went to high school, Ezwelibanzi, where I started grade 8 and completed my matric in 2012. Yes. So since ngikhule kwi background that I'd say I was underprivileged economically, I had this drive of becoming successful. I was hungry for a success. Ngendlela yokuthi even at school, I wouldn't associate with abantu engangabezwa kahle mabekhuluma. engangabezwa in terms of ukuthi bona, where do they see themselves in the next like 5 years or whatever. So i-background engikhule ngaphansi kwayo made me to have this drive of funda sisi because ekhaya babheke wena. Ngiphuma kwikhaya where we lived in an extended family house. Those who know my family dynamics kuma extended families would know ukuthi kunzima kangakanani. There's so much drama. So Uma had to take a decision ukuthi uzosithatha from kulelo khaya lelo ayosikhulisela endaweni yakhe kumjondolo wakhe. So that sizokhula kahle sazi inkolo siyazisa inkolo because njengoba ngisho ukuthi uma waye strict ngendlela yesimanga. My mom futhi mina since nje bengiyi first born, all the pressure was on me. So kuleli khaya leli ngithi it's an extended family house. There were not much of abantu who were successful. Kumina lokho gave me this passion ukuthi funda, because if ungafundi nawe uzobalwa amongst your family members ohalelayo ukuthi mangabuzwa abanye bekhuluma about their family members, they would say umalume wami owummeli, u-aunt wami owuthisha, uhalele nawe ukuthi kube nawe ekhaya kini khona bafundile. So I wanted to be that person kwifamily yami, of which ngamandla kaNkulunkulu uShembe uNyazi leZulu engikholelwa kuyena kwenzeka. I'm a teacher today because of that drive. Futhi I believe ukuthi it wasn't ukuqonda kwami, immaturity that I had during my teen. I wouldn't say izinto ngangicabangela mina zona lezo. Khona nje this guardian angel eseduze kwami, uNkulunkulu Shembe, nedlozi, I'd say, because njengoba ngisho, you would never find me kwi-group of people abenza izinto ey'bheke eceleni, other than ukuthi my mom is strict. Sihle siyibona iy'ngane ezikhula under my household are strict. Whenever they get a chance ngaphandle bayalisebenzisa to an extent ukuthi baze bagcine sebethatha nama-decisions are wrong. But with me, it was a different story. So I then finished matric, went to Edgewood from 2013 to 2016, finished my teaching degree in record time. Nakhona lapho kwakwamandla kaNkulunkulu engithandile, wangifihla kuzona zonke nje izinto that ontanga yethu came across then. And funny enough, ngangahlala rest during isikhathi sami ngisevasithi. Kwayikona lokho nje ukuthi usevasithi but awuhlala rest. What a boring lifestyle. But ngiyayibonga leyo boring lifestyle because it made me who I am today. uNkulunkulu angiblessa with a group of friends that I regard as osisibami. Those people, my friends. Hi guys, shout out to you because you did an amazing job. The talks that we had, those small chats, and engikuthanda kakhulu with my friend group is that i-background yethu is almost similar. Sonke besinestory sokuthi we had hardships during our childhood. So sonke we had this drive of sifuna ukufunda siqede our degree in record time, graduate, sihambe sosebenza and bring change kumakhaya ethu, of which kwenzeka njengalindlela esasikade sicabanga ngayo. Back to the story of uma esikhulisa ngenkolo. Ethempelini that engangisabatha kulona, I became umphathi wamakhosazane, of which abantu abaningi bakwazi lokho, especially ku-social media. But yeah, inkosazane, for those who don't know, umuntu oseyintombi into osayigcinile. Ebandleni lethu kuyahlukaniswa ngey'gaba. There is intombi, ama-virgins, abasayiphethe kahle. There's omama, ingudlungudlu, elinye igama babizwa ngalo. There's obaba, inhlalisuthi. Yeah. So-ke, shuthi ngenxa ukuthi babebuka this little girl, okhulayo, oyiphathe kahle, noma oziphethe kahle, they then suggested that angibasophi iy'ngane zabo. I wanted to quit church. But ke nakho lokho kwaba nomthelela ekutheni ngiyiphathe kahle, cause ngangihlezi nginonembeza ukuthi uShembe uzothini mangathiwa sengitholakala sengenza into eyihlazo. Even the ones ababukela kumina bazothini once ngaqala ngenza into ebheke eceleni. Ngaphezu kwakho konke, my mom uzothini, loya muntu wesifazane wayengeve strict kumina. As a result, mini phone, I had my very first cell phone when I finished umatric. Cabangani. Yabo nje kwathi ngimtshela ukuthi I'm writing my final paper ngelanga elithile, she then went akahamba ngisho nanami ngisanesilonda. She then went to a tolo and then came back with a phone. Angisakhumbula ukuthi kwakuyinhloboni, but it was those BlackBerry lights, because it wasn't a BlackBerry. Angisakhumbula ukuthi kwakuyini, but yeah, I got my very first phone when I finished writing my exams zaka matric. Ngendlela umama strict ngayo, because nje wayengafuni into ezothi sengiyabheda because of, so yeah, ukukhula kwami was like that. But ke namanje ngisasho, I'm so grateful ukuthi ukuba underprivileged kwami made me who I am. Ngitheke sengiqedile my degree, ngahambisa iCV eZwelibanzi esikoleni engangifunda kusona, high school, December 2016. Sahamba saye eKenana January 2017. Ngahlala umhlangano wonke, sabuya. Kwathi nje February around 21st or 22nd, I was then called by a principal saying I must come the following day for an interview. Okay, the rest is history because I ended up working there. Ukuqala kwami ukusebenza ikhanda laliphithene, ngingazi ukuthi ngempela kwenzekani, because into that I had dreamt of ekukhuleni kwami, becoming a teacher, because I had a passion of becoming a teacher at an early age. Ngaqala nje ukufisa ukuba uthisha ngimncane kakhulu. I can't remember, but nje I was very young. So mase sengiqala sengisebenza, like I cried every day ngisasanda ukuqala ukusebenza, because nganginomunyu ukuthi kwenzeka exactly into that I had wished for myself, ukuthi ngisebenze to break this generational curse yasekhaya kwaMzobe, because njengoba ngisho ukuthi no one was obemisele ngokupursue their education whatsoever. So kwakungijabulisa ukuthi I broke that curse. Ngifisa futhi ukuthi ngisho nabeze emva kwami basekhaya nabo babukele mina. So I then asked my mom ukuthi she must go and look for a land. Fortunately, she got it. I built my mom a 4-bedroom house in Ngonyameni outside Umlazi, which was a dream come true. Because, I mean, it's your youngest age, because I was 22 when I built my mom a house. So I was so happy ukuthi nje amaphupho ngempela ayafezeka. Wena ubukela le video ngithi nje kuwena amaphupho ayafezeka, in whatever that you wish for yourself kuyogcina kwenzekile, no matter how long it takes, but kuyogcina kwenzekile. Look at me, mina I'm the 4th generation kwi-household yakamzobe, which is ikhaya lakagogo wami. Ngumzukulu, well, ngisizulwane sesine, but nguNkulunkulu emkhulu nedlozi kwenzeka ukuthi ngigcine sengibe successful. So now kusangenzeka, only if you believe in God, only if you are true to yourself, kuyenzeka, guys. So I then started working as Zolibanzi, not finished, but I spent 5 years because I started from 2017 until 2022. I then took a single transfer to Emenzi High School, where I'm currently at Nakhona. Because I wanted change from isikole ngaqala kusona, high school ngifunda kusona up until ngisebenza kusona. So I wanted like to see ukuthi enye environment injani outside of Zolibanzi. So here I am, Emenzi. So yeah, that's the story of how I grew up until ngishade. This question I get a lot, especially with social media, ukuthi how did you meet your husband? Nakhona ngizosho ukuthi it was a miracle, because yangihlekisa le ndaba. Okay, ukwakha kwami umuzi ekhaya eNgonyameni from 2018, okay, up until isikhathi ngaqeda ngaso, everything happened so quick, ngendlela ukuthi nami kwakuze kungithusa ukuthi hayibo, ngempela is this happening? Mhlambe ukwakha took the whole of 2018 nembijana ka 2019. Then the house was uyayisimile, vele ke kuthiwa indla ayiqedwa, kodwa nje i-structure sasesimile by late 2018, 2019, early 2019. So then here this guy 2019 ngiseKenana, eKenana ise entabeni, as amaNazaretha siyahamba siye entabeni ngoJanuary, siyokhulekela ukuthi uNkulunkulu akaqale nathi unyaka uziyophela, asiphe ibusiso, all of that. So ke nginkosazane ngihambe ngiyentabeni 2019. Kuthi nje January, not January, kuthi nje langa limbe, ngibuye emgidini, because there are some activities esiwenzayo esontweni where uShembe amemezela ukuthi kuzoba nomgido abantu bonke, where sihamba siya kogida, sivunule sibe bahle sibe njeya. Langa thizeni ngibuya khona ke emgidini, izulu nje laligoqubele, libafazi beduba inyama. While ngisakhumula, I was told ukuthi there's imoto eme laphaya ngaphandle. This guy ucela ukukhuluma nami. I then said, I'm not going there. Ngendlela ngangi-adamant ngayo. Guys, mina, ngendlela, like abantu besilisa engangibasaba ngayo. I'd say, hi, ngibe nenkani, ngithi nje angiyilapho. Okay, this girl, afika zongincenga, talent, please come. They're not gonna harm you. Wozolalela ukuthi kuthiwani, okay, then ngihambe. Hi, this guy bingelele, okay, ngivume kube nje okay, acela inamba. Ngibe nokuthi yazini, because normally umuntu mecela inamba yami benginokumnikeza wrong, ngiphume again. So with this one, I gave him my real number. Ukuthi nakhona ngobani, I don't know. But nganginokuthi at the back of my mind, uzothi mase ngifonela and then block the number. Okay, bese ngimnikezile this number. I keep a paper bag full of goodies, chocolates, your Ferrero Rocher, angazi noma ngiyibiza kahle yini, your Lindt, whatever chocolates ongawucabanga. Gave it to me. I was like, okay, and then he said it's an appreciation, ton. Okay, ngithathe-ke nami. Nakhona ngithatha ngiyangabaza ukuthi hayibo, Nkosi yami ngabe njalo umuntu usezontshontsha la. Yes, sisesontweni impela, but you know, ngeke uzowazi. Ngafika mina no chocolate, I then gave them away. Ngabanikeza amakhosazana sasihleli nawo, ngathi hey we guys, wozani nizothatha la. Idlani nazi into ezimnandi. They were like, hi bo talent, why usipha? I was like, hey, angikho interested kuyona yonke lento le, thathani guys nidle. So yeah. Okay, this guy afoneke sengisekhaya sengigodukile, ngingayiblock inamba. Hayibo, qhubeka isikhathi, January, February, March, April, May. I remember May, I rejected isicelo sakhe of not getting to know each other. I was like, no. Ngiyinkosazane nje mina kaShembe. Angikho interested in indabeni zama-dates. He was very much what you call ngifuna igama. He was serious in a manner that wakubeka nje kwacaca ukuthi ufisa ngibe umakoti wakhe kuse-early. Nakhona lapha I wasn't interested because nje ngangiwugeli nje Nkosi yami ozisontelayo, oyisebenzelayo, oyimele unezinto zakhe, so nje ngingaqakwe yilutho, nga-rejecta kwasani ayicela. Kuhambe isikhathi kuthi around August, I had this dream. Ifika ngazi uzongimolisa nani. Yo, I was so angry. Mangivuka nalelo phupha, I was so angry ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi this guy ulibele busy, ezibika, and then mina sengiphupha ngaye. Ngangitsho ukuthi nje inyongo, kanti angazi ukuthi it was ama-signs, because boom, where I am today, I misses him. So yeah, I'd say yabo this person or ungayiboni unaye, I'd say ngiyacela ukuthi umnikeze ithuba, because it's most likely ukuthi kubo yena. Yabo lo mzibayo, yabo lo ongamnaki, othi nje ngibangela isicefe, what is normally the one, because boom, the rest is history. So namhlanje I Mrs. Shangase through ukuthi okay ngaba nenkani, egcineni ngagcina sengibonile ukuthi okay kahle kahle uza with good intentions. So yeah, that's my story. So as I've said, I'm currently teaching at Menzi High School. And I'm currently pursuing my studies, the master's degree, language and media studies. Nakhona, I'm studying towards my PhD because that's my biggest dream. Ukuthi one day to become a doctor of philosophy. Because nakhona lapho ngisanakho ukuthi leya generational curse that umndeni wami ubuphila ngaphansi kwayo, I want to break it. Kwenzekile namanje ngisawuqhuba nje umshikashika because I have this niche yokuthi konke kuyenzeka. Konke mangabe into nje uyifisa uyifuna iyenzeka ngamandla kaNkulunkulu. When you pray, I'm a believer, ngiyakholelwa kakhulu kuNkulunkulu ukuthi mangabe uthandaza uNkulunkulu uzokusiza. So nawe obukele lana, I'm saying to you, have a vision, believe, pray and act. Because once you are saying you believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokusiza with whatever that you want, act towards into that you want to become or that you want. Because ngeke uNkulunkulu akusize nawe uma uhleli ugoqa izandla, you know. And then my hobbies are, I'm interested kakhulu with fashion, beauty, and to become a business woman. There are so many things that I aspire to become. One day I wish to have this big business of fashion, of beauty. Yeah, that's all about me. That's all about myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do have amanyama questions, I'm willing to answer them. Drop them on the comment section. I'll take my precious time to attend to them. Thank you so much. And please, subscribe, tell a friend that Mrs. T is on YouTube. Bye for now.